please follow my Facebook page, link in the description. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today me and my family came to Golden Ears Provincial Campground to go camping for 3 nights. I'm super excited. Right now we're setting up, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, we finally finished setting up. Now I'm going to give you guys a tour. And we got a new tent over here for when we're eating our food. We also got a new gas stove. Here is our brand new tent. Isn't it awesome, guys? I'll be giving you guys a tour right after. So we finished up setting up the tent, and now we're gonna pump up this air mattress. After this is pumped up, we're probably gonna start setting up inside, putting our bags in, and then putting the sheets on the mattress. So I'll give you a full tour right after we're finished. Alright, so this is a built-in pump for the air mattress. So I'm gonna turn it on and let's see the magic happen. The mattress is finally done, and now I'm going to decorate my new room. We're going to start off with the bed sheets. Guys, we finished setting up the tent. In this room you can fit up to 12 people, and there's also 3 rooms in here. So now I'm going to give you guys a tour. So in this room is our living room. This room is where me and my Aki sleep in. And in this room is where my parents sleep in. In all 3 rooms, there are doors where there's privacy. And also, if you guys were wondering, both of these mattresses are queen size beds. So there's a lot of room for you guys to walk in or put your bags in. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tour. Okay guys, now we finished setting up, so we're gonna have a quick snack. Cheers! So for our snack, we have fish cutlet, pastry, and a sandwich. It's so yummy. While we were eating, there were a few chipmunks running around us trying to find food on the ground. Look at this little cutie. It's eating something off the ground right now. Isn't it so cute? It's dinner time. My mom is making yummy kottu. Kottu is my favorite dish. Since our campsite reservation was at 1 p.m., the day went by so fast because we had to set everything up. After dinner, we have to shower and get ready for bed. It's bedtime. Good night. Good morning everyone, it's day 2 of camping. My mom is making breakfast. Now I'm gonna go eat. Alright, so for breakfast we have sausage, eggs, toast, bacon, strawberries, and some juice. I'm super excited to eat. Let's enjoy. So yummy. Okay everyone, so it's right after breakfast and we came to Gold Creek Lower Falls. We're going on a walk right now. We were gonna go during the evening, but it's supposed to rain, so we came right after breakfast. So let's continue walking. As you can see, it looks a little gloomy because the rain clouds are starting to come in. Since we're deeper in the forest, it's a bit darker here. There could be bears around too, so we're staying aware as we walk. As we keep going, there are some areas with fewer trees, which is a lot brighter. While we were walking, we found this really nice little hidden spot where you could stop and hang out for a while. It was such a nice place, but we had to keep walking before the rain could come. Guys, nature is so relaxing. I brought my neck fan, but I don't even need it. It's like so cooling here. It's awesome. I literally love walking and I love nature so much, so I'm having like the best time of my life right now. Alright, so this trail is about a 45-minute walk from the start all the way to the fall. We're starting to get closer, but there's still a lot more to walk, so I'll be showing you guys right after. See you guys soon. We finally arrived to the waterfall. Oh my gosh, isn't it beautiful? I'm gonna go climb up that big boulder down there so I can get a better view. Getting up the rock to get a nice video was easy, but coming down was a lot harder because it was slippery. But it didn't matter because I was still able to capture such a beautiful video. Okay guys, so now we're coming back from the fall. It was so beautiful, like I could feel the mist coming onto me, and with the breeze it was so amazing. Right now we're heading back to the campsite, so I'll see you guys then. It's tea time. Right now we're having pineapple upside down cake, fish cutlet, and some milk tea. Let's enjoy! So it was raining a little bit, so I'm kind of chilly, but it's okay because this tea is really helping me warm up. Also, I forgot to film my lunch, so I'm filming my tea time for you guys. So let's enjoy! After our walk to the waterfall, we were all pretty hungry, so we got straight into making lunch. I didn't end up filming that part because we were just focused on getting some food ready. We just finished tea time. The snacks gave us a little energy boost and the rain stopped, so now we're going on a walk. Let's go explore! Peekaboo! Guys, look how big this trunk is. Look at the size. My mom told me not to go too far because we're in the forest and there's a lot of bears, but I still want to explore. Look over there. There are two bear cubs playing with each other. That's so cool. We have no idea where the mom is though, so we're probably going to head back to our campsite just to be safe. It's not even nighttime yet. It just feels darker out here because of all the trees. After seeing the bears, we got so scared. Now we're running back to our campsite. We just got back from our walk and now we're just relaxing at the campsite and playing some card games until dinner. I've got my hoodie on because it's getting a little chilly and it's raining a little bit. Hopefully the rain holds off, but for now we're just gonna hang out and enjoy the rest of our evening. Oh no guys, I lost the game. Oh man. It's finally dinner time and my sister is making dinner while my mom helps her. They picked out one of our favorite meals, so I'm really excited to eat. It smells so good already, and after spending the day outside, this is exactly what we're looking forward to. Alright, so it's dinner time. My sister made chow mein noodles, sweet and sour chicken, and vegetable stir fry. Let's dig in. It smells so good. It's so yummy. After dinner, we're gonna go get ready for bed. Okay guys, it's late now, so I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. Good morning everyone, it's day 3 of camping. Today me and my sister are making pancakes for breakfast because we decided to let our mom and dad rest. So we're taking over today. Let's begin. For today's pancakes, we're mixing delicious strawberry pieces into the pancake batter to make them even tastier. While my sister's making the pancakes, I'm making the hash browns. It smells amazing. Look at our yummy breakfast. It's amazing, isn't it? Now we're gonna go ahead and eat. Last night there was a really heavy thunderstorm after 10 p.m. I didn't get a chance to record it, but it rained really hard. Even with all the thunder and rain, I was still able to sleep through it. I'm glad it happened overnight because we were able to enjoy the day outside. My sister is cutting up the ingredients she needs to make her beef crunch wrap for lunch. It's our first time making it, so let's see how it turns out. So for lunch, my sister is making a beef crunch wrap. I'm gonna watch her assemble it, so join me. Okay, first she has the tortilla. And then she's gonna put some cheese in the center. And next is the tostada. And now she's putting some sour cream. Next she's putting the beef. Next is some more cheese. There's going to be a lot of cheese in there. Next is tomatoes. Diced tomatoes. And some lettuce. And then some hot sauce for a little kick. And now we're gonna put the second tortilla on top. And time to fold. It's finally done. My sister finished assembling the crunch wrap, so now I'm gonna put it on the pan until it's crispy. Alright guys, so both sides are crispy, so let's take it off the pan. Let's put our second one. Alright, so everything is done now, so I'm going to cut it up for you guys. And I'll show you guys the inside on how it looks. Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm so hungry. Let's go eat. It's lunchtime. Everything is ready, so now we're gonna enjoy. First bite. Later this evening, we're heading to the lake to relax, have some fun in the water, and make the most of the rest of the day. We're really excited to spend some time by the lake and enjoy the evening together. Okay guys, so after lunch we came to Lunar Lake to have some fun in the water. Let's go! Look at my new friends. There are so many geese here. They're not even scared of people at all. They keep coming right up to us and are even trying to get into our bags. Okay, so both floaties are done, so now we're gonna go to the water. Aki, come on, let's go! Hi everyone! Me and my sister on our new floaties. They're awesome! Having so much fun! This is so relaxing. Ooh, guys, I'm just relaxing in the water. It's so nice. Look at this view behind me. It's so pretty. Ooh. Wow. So relaxing. Woo! It's kind of cool. Since we arrived late from the lake, it's already starting to get dark, so we quickly started preparing dinner. While my mom is frying the fries, I'm assembling the burgers for everyone. It looks so good. So after we came back from the lake, we took a shower and now it's dinner time. We have burgers, fries, and Caesar salad to enjoy. Let's dig in. After we finish dinner, now we're gonna go get ready for bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. This is the breakfast burrito my mom is making. It smells so good. Good morning, everyone. This is our fourth and final day of camping. This morning, I'm assembling the breakfast burritos that my mom cooked. After rolling up all the burritos, we're going to cook them until they're golden brown and crispy. It's our last day of camping, and for today's breakfast, we have breakfast burritos. So I'm eating alone because my parents are packing because we have to leave at 11 a.m. So I'm going to finish eating this super quickly and then go help them. As you could probably hear in the background, my parents are deflating the air mattress so we could pack it up. Alright everyone, we're all packed up and now we're gonna head home. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you're notified on my next video. Bye!